Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we have created our Shopify partners account and set up a development store. Today, I'll show you how to use Shopify theme kit to download the Dawn theme onto your local computer and edit it there. So let's get started. So I'm currently logged into the development store that we have created in the last video. So you can edit the theme file directly here into your browser. Just click on these three dots and select edit code option. So you will see the online Shopify editor. You can create, delete or edit file here, but this is not what we are going to do. Instead, go to your computer, and I'm going to create a new folder here with gear emporium. Okay, I have already created this. Okay, so now we are going to open this into our code editor. Let's open VS Code. Let's open. Now let's open a folder. Open folder and select the location. We have Shopify themes and select our store. Okay, so this here we need to create a new file. And you need the file name is very important. It should be config.yml. So this file is very important. With this file, we link our local environment to the Dawn theme that we have installed over here, right? So the structure of this file is development semicolon, and we need to have three things here. First, the password. And I'll show you from where we can get the password, and the theme ID. And then the third thing is the store. Okay, so the store would be the URL of our development store, which is here with Gear Emporium. If you go to the dashboard and copy this, I'm gonna copy the URL and paste here. So remember, it should be without the this HTTPS protocol. And the second thing we need to have is the theme ID. So how do we get the theme ID? Here, again click on the three dots, edit code, and you can copy the theme ID from the URL and paste that here. You can put this into quotation mark, and the most important is the password. So how do we get the password? So it should be the Shopify theme kit password. For this, we need to install Shopify theme access app here. Go to the app section and click on this all recommended apps. So it will take you to the Shopify app store. Here we have to search theme access, and you will get this. Yes, this app we need to install. Just click here, and it's a free app. Click install. So this will install the app on your store. Let's see. So we are currently into Fitgear Emporium. If you have multiple store, you can select here the Fitgear Emporium, your current store. Click install, and it's installing. Yeah, now it's redirected to our store. You can see in the app this is selected. Now here we have to generate a password. You will see this option, create password here. Click here and put your name and your email ID. So this is my email ID. So this app will send you an email on this email ID that contains password. Just click on this create password. You'll see in the password is generated, and if we check the Gmail, Shopify will send us the email related to the password, and it's opening. Yes, you will see the Shopify theme email. Yeah, you can click here, get password. So this invitation will last for 7 days. So make sure, otherwise you have to generate the password again. Get password, and yeah, click on the show password, copy the password, and go to your development config.yml and paste here. And you can hit save button. So now go to the terminal and click new terminal. So now we are going to download the Dawn theme to our local environment in this folder. So Shopify theme kit provides so many commands, and the theme download is one of them. Now let me spell it right. So if you press enter, it will start downloading the theme file. You can see all the theme files are downloaded, and we can directly edit those files here. So let's wait for some time. So we have currently 302 files, and these are the numbers of files that are downloaded. Yeah. So let's go to our Shopify development environment and click here. Let's go to the front end. So let's edit some files. So let's wait for some time. Okay, all the files are downloaded. Now let's edit one of the files. Just go to layout and select theme.liquid, and let's write something here. The main content, it's h1 hello world. So now if you go to save it, this will not do anything. Instead we have to run one more command, watch allow live. So this is a Shopify theme kit command that will watch everything we change into any of the files of the themes, right? So allow live is a flag. This is used when you are working on a live theme. Just click here, just run this command, and it's watching every file for changes. So if we if we save this, Control S, you will see the files is updated. Now let's go to the front end of the website and see if the changes are there. You can see hello world. Okay, so this is what we have for today's. So in the next video we will create our own theme and start installing Tailwind CSS and Alpine JS. So if you're liking the series, please like the videos and subscribe to my channels. Yeah, and see you in the next video.